Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on brake control in traffic. I'll be showing you what you can do to control the brake pedal while driving in traffic. If you live in a major city, then there's a good chance that you're going to encounter a significant amount of traffic and you're going to have to use the brake pedal when you're in that situation. Now this will obviously be a tutorial for an automatic car. If you're driving a manual car, you're going to have to figure out your gas clutch balance control, but for driving an automatic car, it's just brake control. With a manual car, you have that clutch, but an automatic, it's just brake control. Let's go ahead and show you the brake pedal. So I have the camera here. I'm sorry for it being so dark. It might get a little bit laggy, the video right here, a little bit choppy, but this is the best that I can do. So basically, here's your gas pedal, here's your brake pedal. Now in an automatic car, and let's just put my seatbelt on, just because I'm gonna be moving forward a little bit on the road here. So in an automatic car, when you put it in drive, I'm just going to shift it into drive, and you release the brake pedal, the car will actually move forward for you. So, I mean, when you're in traffic, you don't really need to use the gas pedal that much. You can just work the brake pedal, and that's why I call this brake pedal control, because you can actually just work the brake pedal to make this work. Now, there is going to be two different versions of working that brake pedal in traffic. The first version is going to be complete release, just like this. And if you completely release it, the car's going to pick up a little bit of speed, maybe a few kilometers an hour, I would say, just to move forward. And then there's going to be this version, which is just releasing it a little bit, enough for the car to inch forward. Basically, you'll be moving at like 1 kilometer an hour. So for the first version, which is completely releasing it, you're going to completely release it. And if you're on a flat surface, your car will pick up a little bit of speed. Like right now, I'm going 5 kilometers an hour, 6, and I'll show you the dash in a minute. Now, that allowed me to go about 6 kilometers an hour. So you can use that to move forward in traffic several feet if you need to. But if you're inching, like if you're moving up a foot at a time, then I would recommend just like this is, compressing the brake pedal as much as I need to keep the car to stop. Just release it a little bit and you move forward, just a little bit. Like right now, I'm moving forward at about 2-3 kilometers an hour. You move forward just a bit. So now I'm going to show you the dashboard and the window. So right now, as you can see, this is what happens when I fully release that brake pedal. If I fully release the brake pedal, it starts off very slow, as you can see, but then it picks up speed. The drivetrain will actually pick up a bit of speed, and I'm on a little bit of an incline now, so I'm only getting to about 5 kilometers an hour, but usually I go to about 6 already, right? So I'm going to come to a complete stop, and if I were to just release the brake pedal just a bit, just like this, as you can see, I'm just inching. I'm moving like 1-2 kilometers an hour. And that's just releasing it a bit. And I'll turn the camera to the side. This would be completely releasing it. If I needed to move up significantly, I would just completely release it just like that. Pick up some speed, come to a complete stop. And if you're in stop and go traffic. And then if I just wanted to move up just a bit, I would release the brake pedal just a little bit. As you can see, I'm moving up just a bit. And then I could come to a stop. Moving up just a bit, then I could come to a stop. So basically, all that we have are two versions of releasing the brake pedal. You're going to release the brake pedal all the way if you're going to move up significantly, or you're going to release the brake pedal just a little bit if you want to sort of inch forward. And if you're driving in traffic, then you need to master these things, because if you're frustrated by pressing the gas and brake, gas and brake, gas and brake, you're going to be really frustrated. You're going to probably lose your cool, and that's not going to be great or safe for your driving or for the driving of anyone else around you. Instead, if you learn to master this brake pedal control, it's an easy way to really maximize your movement and keep your foot on that brake pedal without moving back and forth. Just makes it easier to drive in traffic and not nearly as frustrating. And that's it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.